Yeah, absolutely. It's a severe situation right now. Multiple watches and warnings. We have a tornado watch affecting the western hill country and already seeing a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings pop up out around Val Verde County. 71 degrees, couple of light showers, kind of the calm before the storm, as it were. For San Antonio, we're not under any active watches or warnings, but that looks to change. Starting to see that squall line fill in and take form as we have been anticipating over the past couple of days. And you could see more vigorous activity. It'll form right along I-35. And even though it looks very broken down here to the southwest, we are definitely expecting that area to fill in. Meantime, in Bexar County, really not that much doing. You see everything begin to step in right to the extreme western hill country. That takes us to Val Verde County, which, by the way, that's where there actively is a severe thunderstorm warning for good reason, too. Anytime you see these storm tops on the three-dimensional view, get the storm tops up to around 50,000 feet, you better believe there's going to be a big threat for hail. And to that end, we go to the hail vision, and we can already see more than 1 kilometer of hail. And as a matter of fact, we're seeing hail anywhere between 1-inch diameter, even upwards of 2 inches in diameter. So this is one of those evenings where I would definitely recommend, if you can protect your car, if you have the ability to move your car undercover, carport, garage, anything, I would certainly advise that anywhere within the viewing area. We're already seeing quite a bit of lightning out there in central Val Verde as well. Meantime, the tornado watch excludes Bexar County. The storm track brings it up to Comstock. It just moved through Langtree, continuing to roll up to the northeast at about 15 to 20 miles per hour. So the only severe thunderstorm warning right now is in that part of Val Verde. You can see Bexar County is excluded for the time being, but we definitely have the potential. The Storm Prediction Center has the outlook. We are marginal, but I want to mention that for confirmed tornado touchdowns that we had about a month ago, remember that, right around San Antonio, we only had a marginal threat during that time. And not to add any fear, but it is looking like a pretty significant weather scenario as we get to Sunday morning and early Sunday afternoon. Anytime that you see the color red, which thankfully doesn't look like it's in our viewing area, hopefully you're not going out to Houston, Galveston, but anytime you see red on this Storm Prediction Center map, it definitely means there is a high probability of severe weather. So what kind of threats are we expecting? Unfortunately, it looks like the main threat is going to be large diameter hail, and I probably don't even have to remind you folks, but it's almost been 1 year already. That big billion-dollar hailstorm that we had that moved through San Antonio, we have not forgotten that. That happened in the month of April. We're right in April, so we know that this is the time of year when this kind of thing can happen. Even tornadic activity can't be ruled out anywhere inside the viewing area. The better chance will be east of 35 after midnight tonight. Temperatures are very mild and muggy. They're going to stay there. Dew points are pumped up as we've got the moisture. Now we've got the spark plug in the atmosphere being the upper low right on top of us. It'll move out, but it's going to linger. So we're going to have a decent chance of rain and thunderstorms Sunday morning, ending Sunday afternoon. By the way, you're going to love the remainder of the 7-day forecast. We just have to get through the next 24 hours. Our computer model has a really good beat on everything. It shows that between now and 3 o'clock in the morning, a lot of the focal point will continue to be the western hill country. And as we get closer to daybreak, we're going to see that line of thunderstorms migrate right over Bexar County. It hopefully will weaken a little bit. Can't promise that, but even in San Antonio, we could see areas of hail between now, daybreak, going out to mid-morning. As we get to midday, it looks like everything gets on out of here and hopefully stays put. We might even be able to salvage tomorrow afternoon. But let's get through tonight. We're going to give you continuing coverage throughout the night for good reason. Some storms will be severe, especially between midnight tonight and daybreak tomorrow. Speaking of tomorrow, some of the thunderstorms will be severe in the morning. Then in the afternoon, things quiet down. I'm remaining optimistic that later in the day tomorrow, the sun pops out even and we get a high of 80 degrees. After we get through 24 hours, look at the remainder of the 7-day forecast. So even though we've got those severe storms, we definitely get the payoff and the payback. Check out how hot Tuesday will be, but the remainder of the forecast looking good. Stay tuned to KENS 5 on air and online. We're going to have you covered all night into tomorrow morning.